All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than our good old friend Solana. I appreciate you guys sticking around and showing so much love. Your support means the world to me, and continue supporting and you will see the continuation of these updates. But looking across the market, majority of the coins are in red. A few handful coins actually up, and Solana is one of them. It's only up 1%, but we'll definitely take that. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening. The price is currently at $143, up 2.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at about 66.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 2.6 billion. But let's continue. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. It's very interesting to me. Goldman Sachs economist cut the probability of U.S. recession down to 20%, are increasingly confident of a Fed rate cut, which could be welcome sign for Bitcoin traders. Just like literally a week and a half ago, these guys said it was 35%. You're going to see a U.S. recession. Now they're back down to 20%. What if I told you we've been in a recession? I'm not an economist, but how are these guys not realizing that, we have been in a recession already? People are having a hard time finding jobs. Maybe it might have gotten a little bit better recently, but over the course of the last 2 to 3 years, you can look at the reports, people are having a hard time affording things. People can't, manage their cost of living. And on top of that, they can't find a job. And there's economists out here speaking about a probability of a new recession. Like, what are you guys talking about? I still don't understand this. Let me know your personal thoughts down below regarding this, but that kind of confuses me. Let me know what I'm not looking at, what they might be looking at. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with the price. So Bitcoin dominance is at 56.88%. So, we could see a spike in the dominance in a snap, as you know. Nothing to get super excited about. But, if you're looking at Bitcoin is still hanging in the 23.6 fib zone. But we did see that retest up at the 60K mark, which is, of course, a very, very important resistance. Obviously, that was a rejection. You're seeing the price back down to where it was. It's still holding within the 23.6, but you don't want to see the Bitcoin price dropping below the 23.6, because if it does, then we could see lower price action for Bitcoin. So now that we have that out of the way, let's take a closer look at Solana and see what is happening with the price of Sol, and what we could be expecting. So looking at Solana right now, Solana actually had a good day today. And speaking about a good day, it's actually performing really good right now going into Monday morning. We actually saw Solana wick all the way up to $147.37. And now this is giving me a lot of confidence going into this week that, we will see Solana actually retesting the $150 price point as long as Bitcoin does not see volatility. What I want you guys to realize is this. Now, Solana was actually lower while the price of Bitcoin was at 60K. This is why I try to tell you guys the importance of the Bitcoin Dominance Index. Because Bitcoin Dominance Index, when Bitcoin retested 60, was still around 57.34%, but it has dropped, and it's really impacting Solana and a few handful of coins in a positive way. You could see Solana wants to break towards the upside, and that is a really, really positive sign. And this is the importance of the Bitcoin Dominance Index, and this is why I show so much interest towards it. You do want to see that reclaim, though, as I've been speaking to you guys constantly about. You want to see the price of Solana reclaim back above this key resistance and turn it into support, and then off we go into the 38.2 fib zone. So, the setup right now for Sol is starting to look really nice. You can see Solana, as we're recording this update, it actually is moving up. Let's actually take a look at the hourly. Oh, look at the market. Wow, the market is actually moving as we speak. Let's give Bitcoin a refresh live to see what's happening with BTC. Is it at 59K? No. Oh, so it's at $58,638. So it has seen a little bit of a move towards the upside, and altcoins are feeling the love right now. And speaking about feeling the love, look at this. Bitcoin barely has had a move right now. Only up 0.4%. Look at this, guys. Bitcoin's only up 0.4%, but a lot of these altcoins are outpacing Bitcoin. And reason why this is the case is because of the dominance index. And I know a lot of people, have been giving me some positive feedback, emailing me about this in Crypto ZX. Thanks for, teaching us things. We've learned so much over the course of the last 2 years. And things really work out the way you look at the markets. And again, that really warms my heart. I'm not like no expert, even though I've been in this space for about 8 years. So obviously I've learned a lot. Try to share with you guys the goods, good stuff that I've learned, and the mistakes that I made, and I don't want you guys to make those same mistakes. But I learn on a day-to-day basis. If you think you'll know everything in this market, absolutely not. It's a continuous learning lesson. But yeah, I'm really liking the setup for Sol right now. Pretty much the main target that I have for Sol right now is around the $150 price point. I think we will see that retest, to be quite frank with you. If we do see Bitcoin reclaiming back above 60K, that's only a 5% move. And if Bitcoin does claim back above 60K in the next few hours, so as we go into Monday morning, if this actually does get retested and dominance actually falls lower, that's going to be a very interesting thing to look at. I think altcoins could pop off, in the next 24 to 48 hours if that happens. But let me know down below what you guys think. What's your overall take on Sol? Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.